Hello guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to get your joycons working on Arch-based Linux distributions. So I'm using Manjaro. Before we get into the terminal, we need to install these packages from the package manager. Just search dkms and install the first one here. Install cmake, this one here. pkgconf, this one here, and then libudev, this one here, the top one. Once you've done all of that, you can put these commands into the terminal. I can do it, but I've already installed this, so it will just come up with an error saying that it can't do it. But just for demonstration purposes, I'll try it. Blah blah. You get the point. You're just putting these commands, and it should work in the end, assuming you've installed the packages I mentioned at the beginning. Once you've done that, these set of commands, copy and paste whatever. You guys don't need me to tell you how to do that exactly. Okay, so once you've done all of that, you're going to want to set up your joycons. So in order to pair the joycons with your PC, you can do this one at a time. You need to hold down the black button in the middle here, and it should start flashing like this. And then search, there's a my left controller, it shows up, hit connect. Make sure you're holding down the button until it's finished connecting. Okay, that should be done connecting now. Solid flashes. Same for the red one, hold it down, search for devices, connect to this one too. Yep. And then you can open up something like Steam. You want to test out your controller. You launch into big picture mode. By the way, press the L and R controls on top to make it act as one controller, and then you can navigate around like this. If you want to change the button layout, you go here to controller settings and you can edit how you want. Anyway, if you have any problems, let me know, and I'll try my best to answer the questions in the comment section. All the commands and everything is in the description, so reference that if you need them. Okay, thank you. Bye.